Hi, I'm JK du Toit, and welcome to the Good People Data Company. One of the biggest challenges that the middle-tier markets in South Africa had was that they had to use multiple suppliers to access different data sources.
We've seen the likes of a number of big name brands. Had they have known, they wouldn't have got themselves into the mess and the massive fines and the inconvenience that they found themselves in.
If you wanted to screen an individual in a business and you wanted to conduct multiple checks covering criminal checks, biometrics, anti-money laundering, and credit profiling, it often meant that you had to go to multiple providers and use multiple systems in order to onboard a single customer.
I think what boards want and executives want is to have a tool and have programs that give them the assurance that they are operating in a corrupt-free environment.
We've partnered up with some of South Africa's most trusted brands and industries in order to start automating customer journeys. Pretty soon within the dealership networks, if any of you walk into a dealership and you scan a QR code and your finance is pre-approved within a couple of minutes, it's very likely our technology is sitting behind you. The business has two main product lines, the first one being Verify, with the key product being Verify Flex, and then also our tenant management system, which is one of South Africa's fastest and biggest lead-to-lease platforms. Verify Flex basically addresses one of the main challenges that corporate South Africa has. Whether you want to screen an employee, whether you want to screen a customer, or whether you want to screen a supplier, the system already has all of the data points pre-integrated for use by your technology and by your systems.
If the information that it draws into its database is accurate, it's going to flag, it's going to show where gaps exist, where problems might be.
Verify Flex comes pre-integrated with about 6,000 data points across 15 different data input partners. Within every single one of your different requirements, be it your basic KYC requirements, your anti-money laundering screening, or your detailed employee profiling, everything has been pre-programmed and you can drag and drop and choose the services you want.
It helps to just start looking at the flags. If you have an automated process, you can save yourself a lot of time and you can get a sense of where you need to dig.
Which effectively gives every single one of our end customers peace of mind that they have the best information available from our technology.
You cannot do business today without using tools like this.
We are building and setting up our own technology laboratory where we can continuously build, enhance and play. With the best and latest of breed technologies, we'll be inviting partners, universities to come and partake and to also look at the technology, provide the latest concepts and ideas and just help us continuously advance the technology we're taking to market.